Hello, this is Simona Bernabei and I'm eTwinning Pedagogical Advisor for Tuscany region, Italy. I think networks have brought about an incredible change and they are completely changing the way we have to relate with what is around us and the way we relate one with the other. We are facing problems every day, not only us as teachers, but also students are facing problems that are more and more complex. To solve these problems, we need the help of others, and we need to get collaboration. So I think what is really important, both for us and for our students, is to find ways to communicate, not only because we need to share information and skills, but because we need to find a way to learn how we can work together and communicate. Networks need special codes, special ways of behaving, and it's not only about getting on a network and starting to write emails or doing video conferences. It is about a completely new language that we have to learn. Teachers can do better about cooperation, and so can students. Students, as far as my experience is concerned, are not able to communicate and to collaborate. And this is what we have to do. I think this is one of our most important tasks and core tasks. Training is about this, is about communicating with others, is about collaborating, and this is, I think, or at least according to my point of view, this is probably one of the strongest points. And this is one of the reasons why I strongly suggest to move on towards the eTwinning vision. Bye. Thank you very much.